BestSync is an easy-to-use yet powerful and reliable utility for file backup and file synchronization. This video demonstrates how to add a task to synchronize a local folder with Google Drive. To add a task, just click the Add a Synchronization Task button on the toolbar. The task wizard is started. You can browse a local folder by the Folder 1 Browser button. Select the synchronization direction. From Folder 1 to Folder 2, or Folder 2 to Folder 1, or in two-way direction. After the file browser is started, select Google Drive in the list of file systems. Press one of the buttons to start OAuth 2 authentication for Google Drive. If you press OAuth 2 manually button, the Manually OAuth 2 dialog box is opened. Press Open URL to open the OAuth 2 URL with the client ID of BestSync by the default browser. If Chrome is the default browser, the OAuth 2 screen is opened by Chrome. You can input your Google account, or just select a remembered account by the browser. After you input the account, the screen shows that BestSync needs your permissions to access your files in Google Drive. Press the Allow button to let BestSync to access your files. The authenticated code is displayed in the browser. Copy the code to the clipboard by the Copy button, or select the code text by mouse point, then press Ctrl+C hotkey. Switch back to the OAuth 2 Login Manually dialog box, press Paste Token button to paste the authenticated code. Press OK to complete the authentication back to the folder browser. If OAuth 2 is passed, BestSync start to list folder in Google Drive. You can select a folder in the folder tree as the synchronization target. Press OK to finish the folder browser. Back to the task wizard. In the task wizard, you can set up rich options for the task like the screen. Such as, backup all the overwritten or removed files for versioning, include or exclude some subfolders, filter files by extensions, timestamp, copy options, for verifying the copied files, using multiple threads for boosting speed, compressing and encrypting files, rename files by defined rules during synchronization, set options for how to deal with deleted files. The mirroring mode is also available, a flexible scheduler for start the sync task automatically, real-time monitoring mode and service mode can be selected, log setting for saving the historical record of synchronized files, errors, or send notification mails when error happens. For synchronizing a local folder with a folder in Google Drive in real time, please select the Real-Time Synchronization mode in the Schedule tab. In real-time mode, if a file is copied to the local folder, changed in the local folder, or removed from the local folder, the change is applied to Google Drive immediately. After you set up the task, it is added to the task list. You can click the Preview button to start the preview of the task. Or just press the Start button to start the task. In the task preview, you can adjust the synchronizing action of individual file by the context menu before starting the synchronization. When the preview is started, it lists all the changed files in the local folder and its subfolders. The preview also lists all the changed files in the folder and subfolders of Google Drive. In real-time mode, BestSync monitors and receives changed notifications from the Windows system. The preview displays the changed files, synchronizing actions and the processing result. You can see, when a file is copied to the local folder, it is listed in the preview after some seconds, and it is also uploaded to the folder of Google Drive. You can confirm that the file is added to Google Drive in the Explorer. You can also see, when a file is removed from the local folder, it is listed in the preview, and it is also removed from Google Drive. You can confirm this action in Google Drive Explorer.